So today I'm gonna tell you a program how to remove a duplicate item from a list and sort it in ascending order by using Python. So what I'm using online Python interpreter to do this program. So as you understood, the purpose of this program is to remove the duplicate item from the list and arrange it into ascending order. So just suppose our list name is list1 and the items present in list are 12, 32, 23 or 32, whatever. Yeah, so if you see in my list one, there are two duplicate items. One is 12, another one is 32. I think so 32 is 3 times, 32 is 3 times. So the output what I'm expecting is like it should be a list in which there should be no duplicate item and it should be sorted into ascending order. So how we gonna do it? There can be multiple ways to do it. So first, the way I have used is list one. I need to remove the duplicate item from this. So first I will convert this list into set data type. The reason for converting this list into set data type is in set data type it doesn't contain the duplicate item, so it will help me to do my step number one where I'm gonna remove the duplicate item from this list. So how we can do is just set, and I'm gonna pass this data type into this. So what it will do, it will convert this list one into set data type, and it will in return it will return me a set which will not have any duplicate item. However, what I was supposed to get is list. So again, whatever the output will come with this line, I'm gonna convert back again into list because I need list. Right now if I print the value of list one, so as of now what I have done, I have just simply removed the duplicate item from the list. So the output what I'm expecting it now is the list one should not have any duplicate item now. See, the provided list was having 3 times 32, but however the list now what I am getting it out, it is having only 1 time. It means it has removed the duplicate items. Now the other requirement was, the step 2 was to arrange this list into sorting order. So it's very simple. There is an inbuilt method called sort which will by default it will sort the list into ascending order. You can sort it into descending order by passing a key value. However, my requirement was to just to sort in ascending order, so I had used this method called sort. If now I'll print this, you can see it has been sorted order. Hope you find it easy. Just to give you a review of this, what we had done, we were having a list called list one in which duplicate items, and it was not in sorted order. So our requirement was to take off the duplicate item from the list and arrange into sort it into ascending order. So what I had done, I have converted this list into short set data type so that duplicate items will remove automatically, and again I have converted this back into list data type. After that I have sorted that list and I got my expected output. Thank you so much.